France has approved a €260 million loan guarantee to Ukraine to acquire AASM Hammer precision-guided bombs, part of a larger €500 million France-Norway deal announced on February 13, 2026. These advanced modular air-to-ground munitions use GPS, INS, and infrared guidance and can strike targets at ranges of up to 70 kilometers, allowing Ukrainian forces to hit high-value targets without putting pilots in direct danger. The bombs are set to equip Su-24 bombers, giving Ukraine the ability to conduct long-range precision strikes against Russian logistics, supply lines, and rail networks, crucial amid Russia's ongoing sabotage of Ukrainian infrastructure. Recent footage shows the bombs in action, with aerial strikes causing train derailments and disruption of enemy supply routes, highlighting their effectiveness. This shipment builds on previous transfers of 250 kilograms AASM bombs since 2023, enhancing Ukraine's standoff strike capability and helping maintain pressure on Russian forces across the front lines. With over 1,000 munitions included, this deal significantly boosts Ukraine's airstrike reach and operational flexibility, marking a critical step in modernizing its aerial arsenal.